Get it, Alice. Come on. Look at her tail. Look at the size of her tail.
Oh my god. I'm interested now.
I know.
You make this noise like,
Look at your tail. Look at how fluffy your tail is.
When she's under the bed, more for you. She wants to fall off the bed and then runs back out.
it's funny when she goes under the bed and then she comes running back out, attacks back in, and runs back in like that.
It's gone. It's gone. Yes!
Look at her tail.
Mommy.
It's humongous.
She's gonna kiss at you.
No, she's not. Shut up.
That got me a lot of exercise tips. I don't
need exercise.
Now her tail's normal. Ew.
Oh,
I know they can go spiking.
Oh, that kitty.
The kitty.
Oh.